Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn on photos shared with you on Google Photos. So how to turn on photos shared with you on Google Photos? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, go straight to Google Photos on your computer or laptop. This is the Google Photos display. Next, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are lots of menu options here. Next, tap the Settings menu. Now here you are in the Settings menu. And here there are lots of setting options that you can use. Scroll down and find the Memories menu. Now you have found it. And tap the Memories menu. Now it will appear like this. Scroll down. And tap here to turn on photos shared with you. This feature allows users to activate the display of photos shared by others on Google Photos via a computer so that it is easier to view and access shared content. So that's it, tutorial how to turn on photos shared with you on Google Photos. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.